Okay, so I got this pump sprayer. It's made by Chapin. The model is 20,000. It's a 1 gallon sprayer. The only problem is that when you go to unscrew it, these little nubs here broke off. You can see that. So when you go to unscrew it, it doesn't actually unscrew. So you actually have to loosen it and tighten it with a pair of channel locks or something like that. First things first, let's see if we can drill a hole through here, clean through, put maybe a screw on each side or something. That way we can have like a little pin go through, or just maybe stick like a threaded bolt through here and cut the head off. That way just the threads are sticking out just so far, and see if we can get that to work. Okay, so once you get this piece off of the actual assembly here, there's two little pins you push in and pull up. You can actually remove this ring here. You spin it, you can see there's a little piece here. Push it up and out, and you can see there's a little mechanism here that kind of locks in place. Get it free from the shaft here, and then we're gonna lock that back in place, and we're going to use a caliper to measure from not from here to here, but from here to here. And then we're going to open it up and measure from here to here, the difference between here and here. Because if we just measure from here to here, that's going to be too long. As you can see, there's a little piece that would prevent it from turning to like lock the little pin in to use this as a handle for lifting. Otherwise it would just slip up and your handle would be, you know, a foot above the top of the sprayer. So let's bust out the caliper and measure that. Okay, so measuring the actual like shaft area, we have about 780, let's just say 785.785 inches. And then if you open that up and then measure that right there, that is 0.14 inches. So if you double that, it's 0.28. 0.28 plus the previous measurement will give us the total rod length that we need to stick through this handle to make it a perfect fit. Okay, so the math adds up to 1.065 inches. So I opened the caliper to that length, put my previous bolt in that was too long. Kind of line it up like that, put a Sharpie mark right where I need to cut it. Oh, it's perfect. So now you can see it slips down in there, and when you turn it, you can pull up on the handle and it doesn't slip out. So that's exactly what I was aiming for. So that's perfect, 1.065 inches approximately. And yeah, hopefully that helps somebody out there. So there's the finished product. Put it down in there, turn, and now you can't actually loosen it, just like that, and it actually does hold this piece here. If you make it too long, it won't turn to grab that, but as you can see, with you shortening it up to a little over an inch, it will actually hold this piece here. which that's perfect. I love it. It's better than the manufacturer made it with that cheap plastic little nub on each side. So there you go. Hopefully it helps somebody. If it helps, leave a like, leave a comment down below if you did this repair and it was successful. If you ran into any kind of challenges, leave those comments down below. That could help somebody else out in the future. So yeah, hope everybody has a great day.